through my chest like a demon from a rom-com. My legs are all just falling off. I'm running out of body while it's all pink, purple and red. It really scares me to death. Mercy